What's up? Nacho Pugs here today, and today we are playing in Carson T3's world. Sorry about the fireworks. They kind of needed to be added to make it better, but oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Anywho, so we are going to go check out this city, see what's up. Oh my goodness, great. Wait, oh, what are you? You look awkward. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, that looks like an explosion. Alright, maybe I should stop the process right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the process right now. Alright, we'll stop that. This looks really pretty. What's this? Starter. Master. There we go. And I broke it. Alright. Oh, this is awkward. Alright, I hope nobody saw me do that. But, oh, hello, everybody. You are, hey! Oh my gosh, I am such a huge fan. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm a master. This looks weird. So I recorded something like this yesterday, and it was kind of funny. So, alright, we're going to, I want this creeper to explode. No. Can I, please let me explode TNT. No. I need something like an explosion. Hi. You look awkward. Yeah, you do. Hey. Okay, Security, I don't want to be your friend. I have too many friends already. I mean, you seem nice, but I have too many friends.
Sorry.
But, this looks awkward.
Sorry.
Now let's go into a different world. Let's go. Carson's world. We were just in there. So we're going to join a random person's world. I like joining random people's worlds. Let's play in Pick Scrape's world, if we can. Why did it spawn me as like 2 people? Oh my goodness, Elder Guardian, you look weird. Oh, it's one of those dance parties. Oh, okay, absolutely. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, Elder Guardian, you look pretty sad down there. So you know what I'm gonna give you? Some water. Every Elder Guardian loves water, right? There you go, is that better? Alright. Ooh, village. Oh my gosh, why are there Elder Guardians everywhere? Dance party! Oh no, we can't. Oh, hello. Why are you in a bathing suit? You look weird in a... Oops, I think he was dying there. Oh my gosh, this is like Mob City. Aw, you look so cute. let's see. Okay. Hello. Big explosion. Let's see. Can I explode TNT? Yes, I can. OMG, yes, I can. Yes, I can. Hello? You gonna work? That was fun. But now it's time for something to come to the extreme. We are going to fill this entire thing up with TNT. Nobody better see what I'm doing. And this is going to explode the whole world. Oh, wait, maybe not, but you never know. It could go like miles across. Okay, so we already got like almost half of the hole filled up. So we just gotta fill up this part and this part and that part. Okay, we are almost done filling this with TNT. Next I'm going to do this in the house, because that'd be kind of funny. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. I want to be standing like right in it. Hello. Okay, this is just getting weird. It's so laggy. Time to do this. Oh well. No, please let me explode this. Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm trapped. Ah! That's just sad. Okay, now I don't know where I am. Hello. Hello. Oh yeah, they're over there. Person, hello. Hey, why am I in survival? Why did you set me in survival? Hey, stop hitting her. She did nothing to you. Run, pig scrape, run. Or pig scrape. Got you, wolf. Ha ha. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What-oh. Wow. Help me. This is not the kind of day I expected. Haha, you're being poisoned. None of this is really, oh, dang it. Ow. Hey. You think it's okay to go around just hurting people like that? Well, you are mistaken, Mr. Skeleton. Ouch. Ah, what are you doing on the roof? Help me. Help me. I'm gonna die. This just says there's like a bunch of fire everywhere. Oh, no, you can't hurt me. Alright, Pigmen don't attack you. What Elder Guardian do? Hi, Mr. Pigman. Why are there so many mobs here? Hey. Oh, man. great, just great. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one could be fun. No! Okay. That's okay. So we are going to end this off festively. All right. Yada 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 blah blah blah. Hello, toneless lemming. Oh, Nia Cat. Alright, we are going to leave. Wait. No, wait. I'll record my next video on her world. Alright. We are going to end this at the humongous Christmas tree. Or Santa's workshop would be better. Maybe Santa's workshop? Nah, the Christmas tree is much better. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. If you'd like to subscribe to the video, just hit it down below. That went wrong. Just hit it down below. Like I am. And then just click that subscribe button like boom, and then you got it. Alright. And once you do subscribe, you officially become a Nacho Puginator, which is one of the best things ever to be. And this time, if I can find it, no, I can't find it. We're going to end it right here. Now let me on. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, which we will play in Nia Cat's world. Goodbye!